So how much does it cost to maintain your company in Hong Kong? And I will give you an idea of how much it will cost based on our fees. So based on ATHENASIA consulting fees, because many competitors, many consultants has different ways of charging. So it's really difficult to give you like a standard way. I will just explain you how we do. So we, as I explained in my other videos, we split into two different things you have to do for the maintenance of your business. On one hand, we have legal and compliance, and on the other hand, we have accounting and audit. And we structure our fees the same way. So if you want us to help you and represent you for the legal and compliance part, we provide you with a package that includes your company secretary for a year, a registered address, the filling of the BR to the government, plus the fees for the BR, so we pay the fee for you as well, plus the filling of the annual return and the fee of the annual return. So all these is a full package for 1 year, and we basically provide it for 6,800 Hong Kong dollars at the moment. So today is the 19th of May 2015. So if you get back to me in 2 or 3 years from now, it might be a little different, but at this moment, these are the price. Then for the accounting, so the accounting, we have the accounting and audit, and we basically put them together. So for sure, the accountant and the auditor are two different people because it has to be by law, but for you, it doesn't make any difference. We offer you one package, you pay for it, and we handle everything for you in your bag. How it works, like once a year, you give us a shoebox with all your invoices, all your expenses, and your bank statements, and we'll do the accounting for you and then see with the auditor for the audit report. Okay, so this is what we'll be doing. We also do the tax representation for your business in Hong Kong, and these fees will vary based on turnover. So here's the thing that really makes us difference from many competitors, and I think is really valuable, is that we don't charge per transaction. So many accountants like to charge their clients based on the amount of transaction that they have. So they would charge $50 or $100 per transaction. But you quickly realize that this is not a good deal for you if you have a lot of small expenses. For example, you go to the Starbucks with the clients and you pay the coffee. Let's say both of you take one of those overpriced coffee at $50 each, I'm talking Hong Kong dollars. So 100 Hong Kong dollars coffee. Okay, then you get back to your to your accountant with this ticket, and you say, I would like to put in the accounting. Say, yeah, no problem. It's 50 or 100 Hong Kong dollars, depending on the accountant. Say, yeah, but that means you are paying twice for your coffee almost, So that's not a good news. So basically what we did, we decided to go with the turnover and say, look, you know what? Give us as many expenses as you want, As soon as you don't pass a certain level of turnover, we'll charge you the same. Okay, and this is the deal with us. So we have a basic package for starters. We have a whole bunch of other packages. If you don't fit in the starter package, feel free to call me and I will give you the quotation. But I cannot just explain everything here. It will take ages. So for the starter package, for less than 800,000 Hong Kong dollars a year in turnover, we are actually charging 7,800 Hong Kong dollars, which includes accounting and audit. Okay, so 7,008 for accounting and audit. So if you sum up those two, so if you have a small business of less than 800,000 Hong Kong dollars revenues per year, basically revenue is your turnover, right? Maintaining the company with ATHENASIA will cost you 7,800 for the accounting plus 6,800 for the legal and compliance. Okay, so that's around 15,000 per year, more or less. Now the good news, as you grow, the legal and compliance remain the same, and the percentage of the accounting and audit will basically reduce because you will have more turnover, but the fees will not be linear, so we will not charge double if you have a double turnover. And that's quite a good news. So basically those fees will reduce, will compress as you grow bigger. So that's the good news. Yeah, and this is basically how you maintain your company in Hong Kong and how much it costs you with ATHENASIA Consulting. So feel free to contact me and I will give you more details. Don't forget as well to subscribe to our channel so that you get updated information about setting up the company, the maintenance, and other interesting things. So I will also put things about like business plan, marketing plan, intellectual property, MPF in Hong Kong, all these things. So subscribe, and so that you always get good and updated information about having your company, having a business in Hong Kong.